Hey guys, this is Rennie with Solution Landscape and Pressure Washing. Today we will be taking care of this two-story house. As you can see how it looks, we will be doing whole entire house. We'll be doing also the driveway. Let's take you guys around. As you can see, it's pretty bad. See, let me get closer. Look all that green. That will be, this is just like that on the back and left side of the house. The front is not that bad. I tried to see if I could upsell the gutters to the customers. No, little things that you see that you know you could service. It doesn't hurt to offer the customer the services. That way you could make some upsells. Driveway's not that bad. As you can see, the walkway, it's a little bit darker. Those are not stained. That's when they put tire shine on the cars, stick to the driveway so it act like a sealer. They will be moving that car pretty soon. You can see the driveway, how it looks. It's a little bit darker, but I will show you guys once I'm done. Once again, Solution Landscape and Pressure Washing, 919-637-1664. Give us a call. Hey guys, this is Rennie with Solution Landscape and Pressure Washing. Remember the house we were gonna do? We actually did it. We're done. Driveway is completely done, as you can see. Customer is very happy. Hopefully today I will go do her house, her other house. Driveway is completely clean. Customer is more than satisfied. She actually was renting this house and she's giving the house up and she purchased a new one. She was so happy. She wants me to go and pressure wash the house that she just bought last week. You guys remember this wall right here? This back side was really bad. House came back again to life. No mildew, moss, or anything growing in it anymore. If they tell her something about the deck, she says she's gonna give me a call for me to come and do it. She's trying to save some money and see if she could slip by and just give the house in without doing the deck. But hopefully she will give me a call and take care of the deck for her. Remember this right here? Oh, you can't hardly see much, but totally clean. She didn't want me to do the gutters. I had my fingers crossed. She wanted for me to go up there and just clean the gutters for her. Really gave her a really good price since I was already here. But since this is not her house, she was just renting it. She just gonna leave it the way it is. If they tell her something, then she's just gonna give me a call for me to come and do it. She's trying to save some money for me to be able to go into her other house and just take care of it for her. Another view of the driveway. Obviously it's wet. Once it dries up, it's gonna brighten up more. Hey guys, just give us a call. Solution Landscape and Pressure Washing, 919-637-1664. Thank you.